Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So recently OnePlus rolled out an amazing feature on their OnePlus smartphone. Just 2 days back we received the feature on OnePlus 13, today followed by OnePlus 13R, and OnePlus 13S already has that feature. In this video I'll explain everything about that particular feature, how to use it and what all things you guys can do with that. But now before moving ahead guys, if you find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So here I have my OnePlus 13 on which we recently received in June update, which was based on OxygenOS 15.0.2, and that feature can be found inside the connection and sharing settings, and it's called remote PC control. It's already available on OnePlus 13S. Today the update have been rolled out for OnePlus 13R also. So basically we'll talk how does this feature work, and using this feature you can control your PC. If you see the description, it says install OPlus Connect on your PC to use the device to connect remotely to control your PC. You can edit documents, use applications and transfer files anywhere at any time. A really good feature. So first I'll remove this device so that I can show you guys how can you connect. Now on your PC you need an application called OConnect. You can find the direct link in the description below. It's an exe file. Just download and install it. And make sure guys you are using this similar profile using which you have logged in on your OnePlus smartphone. If you see the profile picture, it's exactly same. I'm using the same account on both the devices. I mean the PC and my phone. And the layout is pretty simple. Towards the left side you have two options. One is multi-screen connect. So multi-screen connect feature was already there on OnePlus smartphones with OxygenOS 15, and recently they have added this remote control, and that feature is something new. So to use the remote control function, you need to add your device. So here you can see it says no device connected. Tapping on add device, it will ask you to scan. Here what you can do, just go to the multi-screen connect, tap on this icon towards the right top corner and scan the QR code. And once you scan the QR code, you can see it says connected. You'll get two options. One is multi-screen connect and the second one is remote control. Just tap on go and now you'll see your device. Tapping on it, you can see you have an option called remote desktop. Use your device to view your PC screen in real time, control your PC remotely and transfer files. So you need to tap on this icon. And once you connect, the PC screen will be turned off. But here you have an option to turn it on. Tapping on it, you'll see a private mode. Just turn it off and you're good to go. And now you can see my entire PC screen is visible on my device. From here I can access the keyboard, and we also have these shortcut keys like to copy, cut, paste and more. After that you also get a virtual mouse, and the functionalities are quite simple. Then you also have some quick actions, which is like you can switch the display. You have the option to open task manager, lock screen, send to PC. From here you can send the files to PC also. So tapping on it, from here you need to select photo, video, or either you can select a file. So let's take a photo. Soon I tap on the photo and tap on done. You can see here in this folder of OConnect I have received the photo. For the remote control you can also choose orientation, and from here you can lock the orientation. You have this sound output option. Once you select this, the sound will be played on both your phone and PC. After that you have an option to select definition between smooth and HD, then the private mode, and we also have some gestures like tap with one finger, tap with two fingers, swipe up with one finger and pinch with two fingers. Also to send a file to the PC, you just have to select that particular file, drag it and you'll see a pop-up. Just drop that file here in the empty section and you should receive that particular file on your OnePlus smartphone. You can see here progress bar is also being displayed. Tapping on it, it is showing us the status. And once it's completed, you can find that particular file in the file manager. And you can also play videos directly from your PC to your device itself, which you can see I'm playing here. And there's a nice touch to this mouse also. Like if you tap on the cursor, you can increase or decrease the volume like how we do within physical mouse. I think there's some issue here with the implementation of this PC remote control feature, because sometimes you do see all the files here and sometimes you don't see. So hopefully with the upcoming updates this thing will be fixed and will have a better control. I tried multiple ways to fix it, but I wasn't able to fix. Still, what do you guys have to say about this new implementation of controlling your PC from anywhere? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As of now only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.